Hi, I'm Graham Blackburn, and in this episode, I'm going to show you how we use a dead man to make the edge of a long board perfectly straight and perfectly square. In a previous episode, we talked about how to make a board, the edge of a board, perfectly square by using a shooting board. But if you've got a really long board, like I have here, that's not really practical. And rather than spend a lot of money on expensive and possibly dangerous and annoying machines like jointers and table saws, there's an easy way to do this by hand. And first thing you need is a dead man. A dead man is simply a piece of wood where you bore holes wherever you want in it, and you put it into the vise. And that way you can take your long board and put one end in the vise and the other end rests on the dead man. Now you have the board supported. Now, when you buy wood from the lumber yard, it's kind of straight, but it's not straight enough for you to use really, for fine woodworking. So the first thing you have to do is to make it perfectly straight. The tool to do that, the most common tool, is a jointer. Now this is a Stanley jointer, and these are not terribly expensive. Here is the kind of wooden jointer that people have used for hundreds of years, and these you can find much, much less expensive. Or you could even go and buy a really high-end jointer from a company like Lee Nielsen or Veritas that'll cost you hundreds of dollars. But today we're just going to use the common or garden Stanley jointer. It's called a jointer because of its length. And if you're guaranteed that the sole is perfectly flat, then the moment you can take a continuous shaving, you know that that part of the board is flat. Now, as you see here, I'm only taking a shaving in some parts. The shavings came from where the board was highest. You can check that if you want to by using a machinist straight edge. You put that on, and if you can see light between the straight edge and the wood, you know that it's hollow. If you can find a part where this will pivot, you know this is high. So this is the tool that you use to check the straightness. But regardless of that, the moment you can take a continuous shaving along the entire board, you know that it is flat. Now you can see this is just our second pass, but already we're taking more longer shavings. So we keep doing that until we get to the point where the shaving is continuous for the entire length. Now you can see with that pass, we took a much longer shaving. Let's try one more time. Here comes the shaving. Now that's pretty much there. So having taken a shaving that's the entire length of the board, that tells me that this is now perfectly straight. But there's one other thing that's important. I also want the board, the edge of the board, to be square. So I can check it with my square. And should it not be perfectly square, then I have to do one or two other things. If I set the iron on the jointer plane perfectly straight, and if the shaving that comes out is exactly the same width from side to side, I know that it's square. Now you'll notice that here the shaving is the same width, but there are other parts where the shaving is thinner on one side than the other. That means that this is a little higher than that. So how do I guarantee that when I'm making the board straight, I'm also making it square? Well, there's a couple of ways. Firstly, you may have noticed that I held the plane avoiding the knob. And that was because I kept my thumb on the front and used my fingers as a fence. That helps keep the plane square on the wood, right? I can slightly tilt the plane so that I take a shaving more from one side than the other, but there's an easier way of doing that. Here's another little Stanley tool that was designed to do exactly that job. This is a Stanley number 95, and it's called an edge plane. And I'll use it the other way around. It has its own built-in fence, and if I do this, the shaving comes out on my side, which you can't see, but this guarantees that the edge will be square. That's basically all there is to it. You need the Deadman to support the long board. You need the longest plane you can find, and today we use the Stanley jointer plane, with a guaranteed perfectly flat sole. And the moment you take a continuous shaving, you know the board is straight, and you use your square to check that you've taken an even shaving, which you can see by examining the shavings. And if the shaving is the same width all the way across, I know that I've got it square. Or you can look for one of these that comes with a built-in fence. One last thing that you might want to do is you can also attach, with clamps, you could attach a fence to the side of your plane. This will also guarantee that the edge is perfectly square. So I think that's a whole lot easier and certainly a whole lot more pleasant than using a noisy, expensive and dangerous and dust-producing jointer or a table saw. Now, if you want to learn more about these things, don't forget to subscribe and learn some more stuff about how simple and pleasant traditional hand tool woodworking is. Thank you.